Dave Depew here with Grinder Gym. I'm going to show you the circuit that I'm doing today for my hands, wrists, and arms. This is arm wrestling specific stuff that we're doing here, but you can apply it to anything if you're trying to get a strong arm. All right, so I want to put as much pressure on these fingers as possible as I'm dragging my arm down, okay? So I'm going to go 1 minute. These are 1 minute circuits. Nice fat grip here, a little bit of flexion in the wrist. Put my leg forward as if I'm on the table, drop my elbow into the cup, and then I'm just dragging down just a little bit, okay? But this pressure for 1 minute, I'm applying this pressure. And you can adjust the resistance here if you need to. Start with one weight, go up, go down, try to keep it, consistent for the minute. If this gets to be too much through your circuit, you can drop down to a smaller handle, okay? So you're gonna get 1 minute here and then 1 minute with the other arm. Immediately you're gonna go to the next exercise. Come on over here. So this exercise, call it the shake weight, whatever you wanna call it. I just get into this position right here and I'm just moving the wrist just a tiny bit. Now, you can go from a neutral position, you can have a little bit of a flex wrist. You can even go dumped here a little bit if you want, but try not to dump the wrist this way. Try to keep the hand up. And you're not necessarily going into this position. You want to keep a little bit of resistance here to load up the brachioradialis, okay? So just like that for 1 minute. Then you're gonna get the other side, same thing, 1 minute. Now one side might be a little more coordinated than the other. Like this one feels pretty solid. This one I'm probably gonna get a few less reps until neurologically my arm can catch up and be as coordinated with the other arm. So 1 minute of those, and immediately you go into a wrist curl. You can rest on your other arm up in here if you want, but you just want to try to get as many as you can in 1 minute. I try to get 100 reps each time that I'm going through for 1 minute. By the time I'm doing my second, third circuit, I'm probably not going to get 100 reps. But after you get a minute, and go right into the other arm, same thing. Get 1 minute. Okay, so imagine I've done 1 minute of those. Now my final thing is a hold. So I'm just gonna hold anywhere you wanna position that. Up to you. I change the position sometimes, but 1 minute. First time I go through the circuit, this isn't actually like that hard for me the first round through. Second time, it's pretty challenging. Third time, I may not even get a minute, so. And then after a minute, I switch to the other. Okay. That's today's circuit. Try it out. 4 rounds, 1 minute of each arm, each exercise. If you don't have the equipment, if you don't have something, just get creative. Try to come up with something else to do for the minute that you can. But the idea is that you're applying some finger pressure here, dragging from the cup position, that you're toggling your hand here a little bit, just trying to keep the wrist conditioned and healthy. Doing a very standard wrist curl, and then some a static hold position or isometric position. So mixing in a few different things, doing a circuit should go pretty well for you. Look forward to more circuits on this channel. All right.